Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to retrieve all the customer. So what I will do, first of all I will comment this code and I'm going to copy this code because I'm going to keep modify this kind of function. So I will come down, I will put paste here and I will change the name as a get all customers, and here we no need to pass any parameter. So first of all I'm going to show you how to get all customer without adding any parameter, and here we have to use customers, and instead of create I'm just going to use list. So now no need to pass any parameter, and here just use customers. So once we'll get customer we will print here. Okay, so this is our code. So what actually I'm doing here I'm just calling customers and list. So list, you can see here is expecting parameter, or you can see option is also there. So I'm not passing any parameter currently, so it will retrieve all the customer. So if you go and see here how many customer we have totally 8 customer, right? So now what I will do, I will just come, I will call this function from here. Okay, fine. Now let's run. So once we will run, if everything work fine, you can see the data in the console, right? So at least we are seeing some data, right? You can see we are getting this whole data. You can see this is the response, but we need to confirm like it is a data or not. So what I will do here, I will just come customers dot data. Now let's run. So now we will run, we'll get the response. I will just come copy this response, I'll go to the JSON viewer online and I will paste whole response, and from response I am going to remove this line. Now you can see 0 to 7 we have totally 8. So I'm just going to open first customer, right? You can see this is the customer ID N2 and email is mike@gmail.com. So if you remember in first tutorial we have created this customer, and you can see the customer ID, right? This is the customer ID of same customer. So currently you can see we are getting 8 customer, but instead like getting all customer you need to put some limit. So how we can do limit? So you have to just come here, and what you can do, you have to just come and you can see here just pass your parameter. So for limit what we have to do, just use limit and put the value. So I'm just going to put the value as a 4. So I'm expecting here I will get total 4 customer. So let's run. We are getting response. I'm just going to copy paste. I'll come here, I'm going to remove this one, and we have to remove some line of code. So now let's come, you can see the 4 customer we are getting. So this is the way to retrieve all the customer. In next tutorial we are going to retrieve customer on the basis of some field like email created. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.